Everyone plays an important role in the mock trial to ensure its smooth running and success. One of the central players in a mock trial is the legal counsel. It consists of a team of defense attorneys and prosecuting or plaintiff's attorneys, depending on whether it's a civil or criminal case. The role of an attorney on either side is to control the presentation of evidence at the trial and argue the merits or worthiness of their side of the case. They do not themselves supply information about the alleged criminal activity. Instead, they introduce evidence and question witnesses to bring out the full story. In particular, defense attorneys present the case for the defendants. They offer their own witnesses to present their client's version of the facts. They may undermine the prosecution's case by showing that their witnesses cannot be depended upon, that their testimony makes no sense, or is seriously inconsistent. On the other hand, the prosecuting attorneys present the case for the state against the defendant. By questioning witnesses, they try to convince the judge and/or jury that the defendants are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. They suggest a motive for the crime and will try to disprove any defense alibis. On the stands, witnesses supply the facts in the case. They may testify only to facts stated in or reasonably implied from the witness sheets or fact situation provided. In any situation, there are two sets of witnesses, those who are on the side of the prosecutors and those who are with the defendants. However, prosecutors and defendants are allowed to interrogate both sides. Also present during the trial are the jury. The jury is composed of 12 people, one of whom should be named jury foreman. They pay close attention to the evidence provided by both sides and analyze both perspectives to determine whether the defendant is guilty or innocent. Presiding over the entire trial are the judges. They maintain order and assure that proper laws and procedures are being followed. They also read the verdict that was decided by the jury. Court clerks and bailiffs aid the judge in conducting the trial. In actual trial, the court clerk calls the court to order and swears in the witnesses. The bailiff watches over the defendant to protect the security of the courtroom. When the judge arrives in the courtroom, the clerk or bailiff should introduce themselves and explain that they will assist as court clerk or bailiff. If the person playing the role is the only clerk or bailiff available for a courtroom, they will need to perform all the duties listed here. If necessary, the person can ask someone else sitting in the courtroom to get the witnesses from the hallway when they are called to the stand.